Most people think power comes from holding on to control, holding on to people, holding on to outcomes. But Stoic philosophy teaches the opposite. Real power begins when you learn how to let go. Letting go doesn't mean quitting. It means releasing emotional dependency, the need to be understood, the need to be validated, the need to win every interaction. When you let go of these needs, you become unpredictable. And unpredictability is dangerous. A man who needs approval can be controlled. A man who needs outcomes can be manipulated. But a man who has let go cannot be shaken because nothing external owns him. Marcus Aurelius wrote that you always have power over your mind, not outside events. Letting go is how you reclaim that power. When you stop clinging to results, fear loses leverage. You act clearly, you speak less, you move deliberately. There is no desperation in your behavior. That's why calm people intimidate emotional ones. They don't react, they don't explain, they don't chase closure, they observe. Letting go removes emotional noise. You stop arguing to be right. You stop proving yourself. You stop forcing outcomes. And suddenly, your presence changes. People feel it. Not because you are loud, but because you are grounded. This is what makes letting go dangerous. You cannot be rushed. You cannot be baited. You cannot be controlled by pressure. Pain no longer panics you. Loss no longer defines you. Silence no longer scares you because you are not attached. Stoics understood that attachment is the root of suffering, not loss, attachment. When you release attachment, you gain clarity. When you gain clarity, your decisions sharpen, and sharp decisions create power. A man who has let go doesn't beg for peace, he creates it. He doesn't seek dominance, it naturally appears, because nothing owns his reactions. This is not weakness, this is mastery. Letting go makes you dangerous because you are no longer predictable. You move when it's time, you stop when it's wise, you walk away without hesitation. And in a world addicted to emotion, that level of control is rare, and rare things are powerful.